Welcome to Resolve the Bet. Today's craps strategy comes from 555 Craps. It's a very simple strategy, but tends to work pretty well. It's a simple don't pass strategy. It's one of my favorites that he puts out, actually. And it's basically a don't pass bet with odds on it that earns you $50. So, how does it work? $25 don't pass bet. If a 7 or an 11 is rolled, that's one of the holes in the strategy. That is where you'd lose. You'd obviously win on a 2 or a 3. And then after you get out of the come out roll, the only other hole would be if any of these were a point and you hit your point. So, once that point though is established, he will put odds down here that'll earn him $50. For example, if it's a 4, he's going to be putting down $100 in odds. Same with the sister number of 10. If it's a 5 or a 9, we're putting down $75 to win 50. And if it's a 6 or an 8, we are putting odds against that as well, because more 7s will be rolled than the point. And you would get a $60 odds bet on there for winnings of $50. Now, the other part to this strategy, which I think helps out a lot, is that after 8 rolls, if a point is established, let's just say it's the 6 because it's on there, that would be roll number 1. And if you don't 7 out, when the roll gets to number 8, you would double your odds bets for a $100 win. So let's just roll this out a little bit and see how it works. And then we will analyze this in WinCraps and see how well it works through many sessions. Okay, here we go. Dice are out. And this point is off. But 639 is our number, 639. Putting that on, we're putting $75 on the odds here to win 50. And dice are out. 10, 5, 5, 10, hard, 10. That's roll number 2. Remember, roll number 1 is 9, roll number 2 is 10. Dice are out. Another hard number, 4, 224, 224. That's number 3. And we 7'd out, just like we should. 617. Pays 50 here, 25 there. Nice win. Should we roll it out one more time? See if we can keep the winning going. Here we go. Dice are out. Ooh, hit the puck. We'll still call it though. That's how they would in the casino. 10. That puck should have been off, but point is 10. That's roll number 1. That's a $100 odds bet to win 50. Here we go. Dice are out. 9. That's a 639. 639. That's roll number 2. Dice are out. 235. That's a 235. Roll number 4. Here we go. Snake eyes. Aces in both places. Here's roll number 5. Yo 11. Yo 11. Roll number 6. That's a 314. 314. And here's roll number 8. Hard 8. 4-4. Hard 8. Let's put another hundo on there. We're doubling it up since that was roll number 8. Here we go. We don't even need to count anymore. We just need a 7. That's a 426. 426. 549. That's a 549. Hard 6. 3-3. Hard 6. Another one. Hard eight. Hard eight. Boy, they would love me at the casino today. Oh, and there's the hard 10. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? All those hards? Boy, people would have been making money. But we didn't. We lost. We lost a big chunk right there. 225. Oh, man. That hurts. That hurts. Want to do one more? Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Show me the money. 426. That's a 426. Points on the 6. That's $60 in odds. Here we go. Dice are out. Oh man, back to back points. 516, 516. That's a loser. Not too good. Okay. One more? I said that last time. How many times are we going to say one more at the casino? Never, right? You always follow your bankroll management when you're at the casino. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to do one more. Here we go. Coming out. Push 12. Boxcars. Coming out. 7. That's a loser for us. Loser. It's all right. Get one with a point. 5. 325. 325. Point is a 5. That's number 1. That is number 1. Here we go. 6. 4, 2, 6. That's number 2. 9. That's number 3. 5, 4, 9. 6, 3, 9. That's number 4. 6, 2, 8. That's number 5. 5, 3, 8. That's number 6. 6, 3, 9. Geez, lots of 8s and 9s. That's number 7. Here comes number 8. Yo, 11. Yo, 11. Time to double up. And then we don't even need to add any more. You know that 7's coming. We both know that that 7 is coming. Here we go. Dice are out. 6. Hard 6. 8. Easy 8. 6. 5, 1, 6. 5, 1, 6. 10. That's a 6, 4, 10. 6, 4, 10. And there we go. 7 out. Nice winner. Nice winner. $100 here, 25 here, please. Hundo. 25-0. And that, my friend, is how the system or strategy works. It's from 555 Craps. I call it the 2550 Don't. It doesn't really have a name as far as I know. So now let's roll it out in WinCraps and let's see how well this would work for us.
right, let's get right down to what's really important here, and that's about 3 statistics. First one comes on the sessions log, and I also like to use 1,000 sessions as my analysis. And we get a win rate of about 75.1%, a loss rate of about 24.9%. And if you can stay ahead of the game, and that's where the luck's involved, you definitely want to have a higher percentage of win rate for your sessions. And this is actually one of the highest of different ones that I've actually analyzed previously. That's why it's one of my favorites, the first one I started out with. I'll be going over some other ones. But 75.1, that's a pretty good one. And if we can stay ahead of the game and we can stay in that high percentile of winning versus the lower percentile of losing, because that'll really hurt if we only go home with $200, then this is probably one of the strategies that I would play. The next 2 statistics that I like to look at are on the summary page, which is the amount of wagers that you've done and how many times you've won and lost with those, and the amount of money you wagered and how many wins and losses you had with those. And obviously you want both of those numbers to be in the positive. If you have both of them in the positive, you'd have a winning strategy. So usually that bottom number is usually in the negative. Now sometimes you can get that in the positive, again, if you're staying ahead of the game, but generally it's going to be in the negative. So we want that to be as close to 0 as possible, or in the blue going over. We have yet to find a strategy that's consistently doing that. Now the top number, you definitely want more wagers won than you lost. You got to have more wagers won than you lost. Otherwise, it's a completely losing strategy. So there you have it. Basically, the casino's giving you the chance. What you got to ask yourself is any chance better than none at all? That's for you to decide. Hey, if you like my channel, you like my show, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to have the auto bet file for the WinCraps system that we just did today, go to my description. Tells you how you can help support the channel. I really do appreciate it. Until next time, thanks for watching.